Good morning students. Welcome back to GK class. I hope all are good. Dear students, today let us learn about machines. Okay, chapter 3 all about machines. Please listen. Machines have become an integral part of our lives. Okay, what is the meaning of integral part? Integral part means unavoidable. It means these machines are very important for our life, very essential in our life. Okay, then we use them every day. Identify the machine. So I will read it. You can identify the machine. Which is this machine? Okay, we can pick out the answer from this help box. Okay, first question. It is used to load and unload heavy goods as it can carry them easily. See this picture students. It is a crane. Okay, this crane is used to means this crane is helpful to lift heavy goods. Okay, it is used to load and unload. Okay, especially heavy goods. What is its name? Crane. Where is crane? See, you can pick out the answer from here. Crane. Okay, next one. It is used to carry the elderly and the disabled. Okay, which is this machine students? Wheelchair. It is a wheelchair. Okay students, see this wheelchair. What is the specialty of this chair? It is a chair with wheels. Wheels are there. Okay, it is useful when walking is difficult. Okay students, otherwise injury, especially it is used for elderly people, old age people, and those who are disability. Okay student, disabled. Okay, what is his name? Wheelchair. Okay, third one. It is used in the textile industry to weave cloth. Okay, in the textile industry. What is its name? Loom. Okay students, see this loom. Loom is a device used to weave cloth. Okay, loom is a device used to weave cloth. Okay, especially in the textile industries. Okay, then at airports and in malls we often use this moving staircase. Students, it is very interesting. Na? Have you ever seen this moving staircase? Especially it is in the airports and in big type of malls. Okay, what is its name? Escalator. Moving staircase जो चलते रहता है, जो सीढ़ियाँ. Okay, then fifth question. What is this question? This machines makes cooking and heating up food easy. Cooking and heating up food easy. What is its name? See, what is the answer? Microwave oven. Okay, you can write it here. Microwave oven. Students, this is very familiar to you. Okay, do you have microwave oven in your home? What is the use of this? Students, it is for it is helpful to reheating food and fast cooking. Okay, it is helpful to cooking and heating up food easy. Okay, then it is a small light portable computer. Which is that? You know this na? Laptop. Portable means it is easy to carry. Laptop. Okay, then the grass on the lawn can be kept well trimmed with the help of this machine. Grass cutting machine. What is this? Mower. Grass cutting machine. Okay students, lawn means what is lawn? A short place with grass. Okay, like a garden. Short area with grass like garden. आप कभी कभी किसी का फ्रंट साइड में आपने देखा है ना, short area with grass, lawn like a garden. Okay students, which is this machine? Mower. Okay, it is well trimmed. Okay, otherwise cutting machine, grass cutting machine. Okay students, well trimmed with the help of this machine. Okay, next one. It is used to heat water. What is this? Geyser. It is also familiar. Okay students, geyser. What is the use of this geyser? Do you have geyser in your home? Students, especially we use it in the bathroom to heat water for a bath. Okay students, geyser, you can write it from here. Okay, good. Now let us learn next chapter. Dear students, now let us learn about unusual plants. Unusual plants means extraordinary plants, otherwise strange plants. हमें अभी तक देखा नहीं है, थोड़ा सा अलग plants. Okay students, okay, now you can fill up these columns. Then students, see, help box is here. Okay, you can pick out the answer from here. Okay, now please you can listen. Students, first question. The flowers of this parasitic flowering plant are the largest in terms of size. Okay, it is very largest flower. Rafflesia. Okay, what is the answer? Rafflesia. What is the meaning of parasitic? Parasitic means these flowers, means these plants depend for their food, depend other plants for their food. जो फूड के लिए दूसरा प्लांट से लेता है. Okay, they obtain nutrition from other plants. Okay students, what is its name? Rafflesia. What is the name of this flower? Rafflesia flower है ये. Okay students, largest in size. Okay, next one. The fragrance of the flowers of this plant is like the smell of a rotting animal. Rotted animal means जो मरा हुआ एनिमल, सड़ा हुआ एनिमल. ओके, इसका जो स्मेल है, ओके, द फ्रेग्रेंस ऑफ द फ्लावर्स ऑफ दिस प्लांट लाइक स्मेल ऑफ रोटेड एनिमल. जो सड़ा हुआ एनिमल का इसे स्मेल होता है. ओके, व्हाट इज इस नेम? कॉर्प्स फ्लावर. What is his name? Corpse flower. Okay, you can write it from the help box. Then third one, the leaves of this plant fold up when touched. Okay, touch me not plant. It is the touch me not plant. Okay, what is its real name? Mimosa. Okay students, when we touch the leaves, okay, it fold up, jaldi fold hota hai. Okay, what is its name? Mimosa. Okay, next one, this is a very long living plant. Okay, long time, ये long time होता है ये. Okay students, it is a very long living plant and has only 2 leaves and a stem with the root. Stem पूरा root से. Okay, only 2 leaves. I think group of plants are here. Okay, the leaves grow continuously and can reach a length of 2-4 meters. See the leaves बहुत लेंथी है ना, 2-4 meters लेंथी है. Okay students, okay, only 2 leaves are there. Each plant only 2 leaves are there. Okay, stem with the roots. What is its name? Welwitschia. Welwitschia. Okay students, its name you can pick out from the help box. Okay, next one, the plants of this genus are also known as 4 o'clocks. See, 4 o'clock flower है ये. Since the flowers open from late afternoon afterwards, see, around 4 o'clock or afternoon afterwards it can open. This flower can open. What is its name? Mirabilis. Okay, Mirabilis. Okay, its name. Now see students, we can learn the next one. See this. See students, sixth one. This is the smallest growing plant in the world. It measures only 9 to 11 centimeters. See, smallest growing plant, बहुत छोटा plant है. Okay, 9 to 11 centimeter only. Okay, then what is his name? Wolffia. What is his name? Wolffia. Okay, next one. See, what is his specialty? This is a member of a pea family. Pea family का एक member है. Okay, then pea family is of member of a pea family that grows in the tropical rainforest of the Philippines. Okay, Philippines का tropical rainforest में होता है ये. Okay students, the claw shaped flowers. See the flowers claw shaped. Claw shaped means this curved nail. Claw means curved and sharp nail. Okay, horny nail. Okay students, claw shaped flowers. See, then hang like a clusters of grapes. जैसे grapes ऐसे. Okay students, clusters of grapes. What is his name? Jade vine. Okay students, Jade vine. Next, these plants produce a large number of seeds. Large number of seeds होता है इसको. Okay, per seed pod. एक per seed pod. Seed pod means जो beans का seed pod है. Then pea plant का जो सीड बोर्ड है. ओके, सीड एक सीड बोर्ड में लार्ज नंबर ऑफ सीड्स होता है. ओके, बट रिप्रोड्यूस लार्जली बाय वेजिटेटिव मीन्स. ओके, द फ्लावर्स ऑफ दिस प्लांट लुक लाइक ए लेडी स्लीपर. वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग ना, स्ट्रेंज प्लांट. See, it is a type of orchid है. Okay, lady slipper orchid है. Okay, it is this flower looking like lady slipper. Ladies का slipper का ऐसे दिखता है. Okay students, okay. Then the fruit of this plant have barbed hooks. Barbed hooks means, see this hooks, sharp hook. Okay, that stick through the fur of animals. That stick to the fur of animals means hair of animals. Hair of animals में ये animals का जो hair है उसमें stick होता है. Okay, what is his name? Burdock. Burdock. Okay, then next one. See students, the carnivorous plant. Okay, carnivorous plant means animals eating, those are eating animals, carnivorous है, okay, animal, not any animals means a small type of insects and others, okay. Carnivorous plants have sticky tentacles, see this tentacles, tentacles means this hair, okay, with the glistening drops of a thick and sticky substance at the tip of each tentacle. See, tip of each tentacle में क्या है? See, glistening drops means shining drops, okay. It is thick and sticky, चिपक जाता है, okay students. Okay, what is its name? Sundew. Its name is sundew. Students, it is very interested chapter now. Unusual plants. Now you can read it. Then fill up this column from the help box. Okay students. Okay, good. And you can write it in the notebook. Okay, good. Bye. Loom. Escalator. Moving staircase. Microwave oven. Mower, grass cutting machine, geyser,